Brad Williams, XL Prime. Let's take a look at mod. And what are we going to do in this particular example? We're going to look at multiples of G4. It's straightforward. Multiples of 10. In other words, if we have a number 30, is 10 a multiple of 30? Of course. 94 a multiple. In other words, if I divide 30 by 10, what's the answer? It's 3. In other words, we want a whole number. We need an even multiple. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 29 divided by 10 is not an integer. It's a decimal. 10 divided by 10 is 1. That's the easy part. What if we hit F9? 2. Well, 2 is a simple number as a divisor. That's why there's so many greens. It divides evenly into these numbers that are even numbers. 15. Ooh, that's a tough one. You can see I put this mod function I have in other examples to break it down. Here, I use 14. The divisor, it spits out 14. That doesn't work for us. In this calculation, our goal is to find the zero. Divisor. Keep in mind, what are we trying to do? 14 divided by 2 is 7. What's the remainder after dividing? It's 0 because 7 times 2 is 14. F9. 2 times 24, 23 is going to give us 46. And that leaves what? 1 as the remainder. That's what the mod function does. Mod's looking for 0. Hit F9. I'm trying to get an odd number here. 14. 7. Let's go here. 7 times 12 is what? 84. So we get a 0. Well, we would get a 0. If we divide 94 by 7, what are we going to get? It's going to be 13 or 14. You're going to see this, you see 3, that's the remainder. F9, 7, remainder 3. 69, 9. Okay, how close can you get? Well, 9 times 7 is what? 63. 9 times 8 is 72. So the remainder, 9 times 7 is 63. 69 minus 63 is 6. We're looking for even multiples, okay? 9 divided by 9 is no remainder. That's how my mod function works. I know. I just spent probably way too much time explaining the mod and the divisor. You remember, smarter than a 4th grader? Well, unless you're a 4th grader, you're laughing at us, okay? I'm an old guy. I don't remember this stuff. And I don't remember it on purpose because I know where to find it. And I know how to implement it. I don't want to remember it. What I'm trying to do is ingrain this into your head as to where is this tool? Where can I find it? And what's its purpose? It's the mod function. It serves its purpose in conditional formatting and a number of other places. That's your second introduction to mod, the nuances of the mod function, because did you learn this when at any point in time? No, not the mod function, but you'd certainly remember division, I hope. And that's all this is. It's just the division, and the mod function just spits out the remainder. Brad Williams, XL Primed, I'm out. Thank you for your time. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Sorry about the glare. These glasses and the screen just create havoc, and I'm trying to keep it at a point where I can't look at the camera because I know it's a distraction. There is no solution for this problem online, and everybody's going to go, set your lighting above your filming or your recording. But they don't tell you, well, I'm looking at an Excel screen that is all white, and there's no way to stop the reflection unless I tip my head. Please, if you have an answer to this, let me know.